Ever wondered about those common skin issues that seem to appear out of nowhere, or pondered the benefits of natural remedies? Well, today we explore a simple yet effective solution to both these queries, a DIY castor oil lotion. Castor oil, a versatile and age-old remedy, has a myriad of health and beauty benefits. From moisturizing skin to promoting hair growth, and even reducing wrinkles, this natural wonder is a must-have for your beauty regimen. So how do you create this magical potion? Let's dive in. First, gather the necessary ingredients. You'll need 3 main components: 2 tablespoons of castor oil, 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, and a 1/4 cup of aloe vera gel. All these ingredients are easily available and are known for their individual beneficial properties. Kick off the process by melting the coconut oil in a double boiler. This method ensures the oil melts evenly without burning. Once the coconut oil has turned into a liquid, remove it from the heat. Next, add the castor oil. Castor oil is thick and viscous, so ensure it blends well with the coconut oil. The combination of these 2 oils results in a concoction that is rich in fatty acids and antioxidants, both vital for skin health. Now it's time for the aloe vera gel. Aloe vera is a fantastic skin soother and hydrator. Pour the aloe vera gel into the mixture and stir until the ingredients are thoroughly combined. Once the mixture is well blended, pour it into a clean, dry container. Your DIY castor oil lotion is now ready for use. Apply it to your skin or hair and experience the rejuvenating effects of this natural remedy. To summarize, today we've learned how to create a DIY castor oil lotion using only 3 ingredients: castor oil, coconut oil, and aloe vera gel. This lotion is not only easy to make but also packs a powerful punch when it comes to skincare and hair care. Remember, the key to this lotion's effectiveness lies in its simplicity. By using natural and easily available ingredients, you can create a product that is free from harmful chemicals and is beneficial for your skin and hair. So why not give this DIY castor oil lotion a try? Your skin and hair will thank you for it. And who knows, you might just discover a new favorite in your beauty regimen.